Hey Zoe, guess what come in the mail today? A package from Rick Simmons. Let's see what's in there, huh? Oh man, I know what it is. Oh, look at it. It's gonna be so pretty. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, my props are here. Oh, look at that. Rick does such a great job. That is so awesome. If you have any prop damage, send it in to Rick Simmons. You can find him on Facebook. He does an excellent job, does beautiful work. And even if you got some new ones, he's awesome at that. He balances them and makes everything smoother when you hook it up. Rick Simmons, check him out.